Hello, dear friends. Thank you so much for joining me for a very exciting unboxing today. I'm having a little squish around to see what I can feel in here, but I can't really feel anything. I received a notification from the post office today to get this parcel, and I'm not sure what's inside. I am hoping that it may be something that I ordered in January from Aliexpress, and yes, I think it is. This was ordered in January. It was gifted to me. A very, very dear friend, Alice Brummer Meintjies, from one of the Facebook groups, so kindly contacted me and said she would really like to support my YouTube channel, and she gave me a gift to buy these specific paints. So I ordered them, and then COVID happened, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting because Aliexpress is situated in China, and of course they were the worst hit by COVID, or the first hit by COVID. And I contacted the shop, I did everything, and nobody really helped me there. And I thought, oh my goodness, I wonder if this money has been lost and these paints will never arrive. But they finally come with a paintbrush. Paintbrush has been a little bit damaged, but let's see what these paints look like. I'm so excited. I'm going to try and correct this skewing of the brush. It looks like a lovely brush. Nice little tin. Look at them. They look like all sorts of yummy, yummy, yummy chocolates, but they are beautiful, beautiful paints that I'm going to open, and then I will show you. So here they're opened, and I'm going to swatch them for you. They are so pretty. Look at all that sparkling, shiny goodness. I first spritzed them with a little bit of water, and now let's see. Oh, they're lovely and they're creamy. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Love watercolor paint. Oh, I just love it. They really feel lovely to use. I am being a little bit impatient. When you work with these kind of mica handmade paints, you need to spend a bit more time with the brush on the pan to wake the mica up and give the binders a chance to melt so that they release the paint. But I just want to see these colors. Look at the brightness of that. Oh my goodness. This watercolor paper that I'm using is a Strathmore watercolor journal, and it's not my favorite. It's sort of got a lot of sizing in it, which almost repels some of the paint. It's an interesting green. I feel like this one needs more work, but I'll look at it again later. I will put a link to this shop in the information beneath this video in case anybody else is interested. And Aliexpress offers some really interesting watercolor stuff. I'm a little bit anxious to buy from them again in living in South Africa, but I think in the United States their delivery is okay. I found this a long time to wait, January to October, for them to arrive. So I'm not sure about using them again, but whatever. I love these paints. Alice, thank you so, so, so much for your kindness, for helping me with this channel, with supporting. I love to do unboxings, but one can't always afford to buy so many art products. So this channel is not sponsored by anything except by some of the lovely, wonderful channel members that contact me and do kind things like Alice has just done. So look at the beauty. Look at this lovely pearly color. I think it would be really lovely if I was clever enough to paint a fairy or dragonfly or something to put over the wings. I must try it on a coloring page, actually putting a layer of that over. Wonder how it would work over wax crayon. Very nice gold. So, thank you so much once again, Alice Brummer Meintjies, for your incredible kindness and generosity in supporting me. And I hope you've all enjoyed watching this video and sharing my joy in these gorgeous, gorgeous paints. And I thank you for watching the channel and for subscribing to my channel and for watching this video. And I wish you a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Stay safe, stay sanitized, and stay healthy. Lots of love. Take care. Goodbye now.